Welcome back. Let's practice multiple choice questions from NCERT school books. Which of the following statements about the Federal Assembly with respect to the Government of India Act, 1935 is incorrect? A. The lower house was to be called the Federal Assembly. B. It consists of 375 members, out of which 250 were to represent the provinces and 125 to represent the princely states. C. The seats allotted to the various communities in the provinces were also disproportionate to their population. D. The term of the assembly was 6 years, but it could be dissolved earlier also. Answer is option D. Statement D is incorrect about the Federal Assembly with respect to the Government of India Act, 1935, as the term of the Assembly was 5 years, but it could be dissolved earlier also. The lower house was to be called as Federal Assembly that consisted of 375 members. The seats allotted to the various communities in the province were also disproportionate to their population. Consider the following statements with reference to Government of India Act, 1935. 1. This act introduced diarchy at the provincial level. 2. Ecclesiastical affairs, defence, external affairs and tribal areas were under transferred subjects. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option D. Neither statement 1 nor 2 is correct with reference to Government of India Act, 1935. Government of India Act, 1935 introduced diarchy at the federal level and not at provincial level. The federal subjects were divided into two categories, the reserved and transferred. Ecclesiastical affairs, external affairs of other monasteries, mandir and religious institutions, defence, external affairs and tribal areas were under reserved subjects and not transferred subjects. In the matters of reserved subjects, the Governor-General possessed the discretionary power and was not even required to consult with the Council of Ministers. Thank you and practice more number of multiple choice questions to get good clarity on each topic.